Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I will show you a simple and quick ESL teacher makeup look. For my foundation, I'll be using the Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 120. Spread ko lang siya all over my face. And then to blend, I'll be using the Says Lady Sponge. Next is the powder. For my powder, I'll be using this Nichido in the shade Tan. And napaka-affordable nito. It's only 100 pesos. So, maganda din yung coverage niya. Napaka-natural. My brows, I'll be using the Vice Cosmetics. Fini-fill in ko lang yung outer part ng brows ko. Kasi meron akong brows pero hindi siya dark. So, fini-fill in ko lang siya. And then, yung ginagamit ko na brush is, nilalagyan ko siya ng soap para parang natural lang talaga siya. And then, iba-brush up ko lang siya. Next is contour. For my contour, gagamitin ko tong Vice Aura Contour in the shade For Sure. Yan, gagamitin ko yung brush na maliit sa nose line ko. Importante yung nose line kasi para sa camera, maganda siyang tignan. Binabrush ko siya para medyo mag-fade yung color ng contour para maging natural. So, ikukontour ko lang yung buong face ko. Alright, so next, for my eyeshadow, I'll be using the Everbilena Lip and Cheek Stain in the shade Uptown Red. So maganda to, 165 pesos lang siya. Ginagamit ko siyang pang eyeshadow. Kasi parang natural lang siya, as in napaka-fresh niyang tignan. So ayan, binablend ko lang siya dyan using the Says Lady Sponge. Napaka-simple lang po talaga ng makeup na to, as in super easy. After nito kasi, nagmamadali ako. As you can see, meron kasi akong class after nito. So minamadali ko lang siya. Ganito naman ako everyday. And then, ginagamit ko rin siya pang blush on. Mag-curl na ako ng lashes. As you can see, bago din yung curler ko. Yan, Says Lady din yan. Yan, maganda siya kasi napapa-lift niya talaga yung lashes ko. Kung nakita niyo yung Watson's Haul ko, ginamit yung castor oil and then effective talaga siya. So as you can see, mahaba yung lashes ko. So, for my mascara, of course, the Maybelline pa rin yung mascara ko. Ayan yung favorite ko kasi napaka-affordable niya and then nagagawa niya talaga yung dapat niyang gawin. So, next is, so nilalagyan ko ng highlighter yung nose ko and then sa outer part ng aking eyes para magmukha talagang buhay na buhay. And then, parang nagsha-shine yung nose ko. So, ayan, highlighter lang katapat. Hindi ko na malaya na hindi ko pala na video yung sa lips ko. Ginamit ko lang din yung Everbilena Lip and Cheek Stain Uptown Red. Yung ginamit ko for my eyeshadow and for my blush on. At pinatungan ko lang siya ng powder. This is my final look. Very simple lang talaga ng look na to. And super quick. Pwede mo siyang gawin 3 minutes before your class. And that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you like it. I hope you learn from this video. And please like, share, subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to Rafael Antihero's channel. Don't forget to click the bell to be notified every time I upload a video. Thank you so much. See you in my next one. Bye! Mwah.